In this video, I will show you how to upload video in Google Drive using iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and find the video you want to upload on your device. So I've just gone ahead and selected this video here. Now, when you actually press onto the video, you're going to see the share icon in the bottom left-hand corner. So what you want to do is press onto this. And it's going to bring up some options for where you can share. Now, if you come down to the second row and scroll all the way across to the right, if you can't see Google Drive, what you're going to want to do is press onto this box here, which says more with the three dots. Now, once you've done that, you can then go ahead and select Google Drive. So this should be in your suggested apps. As you can see, Google Drive is here. So go ahead and press onto Google Drive. And what it's going to do is bring you across to this page. Now, what you can do is select your account from the option at the bottom, and you can choose a folder and the people and groups that you want to send this to. So for example, I'm going to send it to my digital tutor Google Drive account, and I'm just going to add it to my main Google Drive folder. So once you're happy with that, you want to come up to the top right hand corner and press onto upload. What it's going to do is start uploading a video to Google Drive. Now, you want to make sure you do have a good battery on your iPhone before doing this, as it's not going to upload. And of course, make sure you have got enough space on your actual Google Drive so that the video does upload successfully. So now you just need to give it a minute or two, of course, dependent on the length of the video, for this to complete and upload to Google Drive. So once the video has finished uploading, it's going to take you back to your photos and the actual video itself. So now if you actually go ahead and open up Google Drive on your device, and as you can see, the video that we uploaded is now appearing in Google Drive. So that is how to upload video in Google Drive using iPhone. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.